It would splash. You're going to splash again. I wonder what it is. Is it a tiger shark?
Could be. Massive.
It's enormous, isn't it? Look at that.
Holy hell.
Jesus.
It's a mako. It's a mako. You better strap yourself in, mate.
Oh, hang on. Oh, the fighting chair can't take the strain.
Oh, wait, no net.
I thought I'd man it up and toughen that one out. What a monster. 10%, you little friend.
Nice release.
Beautiful. Once again, awesome lure.